Welcome to TaskFino, your all-in-one office management software. In today's video, I will show you the asset module of TaskFino, how you can use the asset module to organize all the assets of your company and keep a record of everything, track everything, and use them efficiently so that your team can optimize the uses of the assets. Let's see how it works. In the dashboard you can see that here is a summary of assets, that according to the category how many assets do you have and how many is available and how many is already assigned. So if you go inside of this, inside the asset, there is a category section. If I click on category, you can see that I can create the category. Actually, maybe laptop is a category, your monitor is a category. If you have any other device, mobile or mouse, keyboard, these all are category. You can add those category based on your requirements and start adding the assets here. So inside the asset you can see what asset do you have. You can filter the asset using various type of filters, and here you can see the asset image, asset information, what was the cost of the asset, what is the purchase date, and if there is any warranty, how many days of warranty left, and what is the expiration date of the warranty. It will be shown here, and to whom the asset is assigned currently, that will show here, and the status is assigned. And sorry, this one is who is currently using the asset, and this one was the who is the last person assigned. So for this case, this person Sarah is the only user of this product. That's why there is no last assigned person. And if we go inside of any device, you will see that, okay, from here you can see to whom it is assigned. So if it is assigned to someone, then at first you have to release it and then have to assign to another person. So we are seeing that it is already assigned to someone on December 9, 2024, and she has to return the product on December 11, 2024. And this is the record of the asset to whom it belongs to now. And after that there is an additional asset section. So maybe you have a computer, and for that you want to buy RAM, new RAM. So you can add that RAM as an additional asset of the particular product. Okay, in this way you can organize your assets and sub assets very precisely. And here's the repair history. If you do any repair of the product, you can add it here, so it will keep here as a record. And here you will see the pricing, total warranty, and everything here. In this way it is very easy for the HR manager to understand that which of the asset is assigned to which employee, so that when it comes to terminate any employee, he can, using one click, find the assets available available to that employee, and the HR manager can collect those assets easily from the person, from the employee. In this way, the asset module of TaskFino works and helps to organize your office assets in a very perfect way. So this is all about the asset. In our next video, we will show you how your employees can take the personal loan and can do the calculation inside TaskFino. Till then, bye bye. Thank you.